Hi guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 17th day of the 40 days challenge. So today I'll be cooking puri and masala aloo curry. I think we all look forward as kids, as adults, eating this as a breakfast. And puri aloo can never go wrong. Tastes amazing, it's a comfort food. And I don't know anybody who does not like puri aloo. And let's see how it's made. A spoon of ajwain, a spoon of salt to taste. Now I'll knead this into a proper dough for the puris. Now the dough is ready guys, and let's rest it for 30 minutes before we turn them into puris. Now mash the boiled aloo like this. Don't make it into a paste, but slightly just mash it like this. 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, whole spices, a tablespoon of jeera, 1 cup chopped onions. Once the onions are softened, go ahead, add 3 green chilies and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic. Add 1 cup of tomatoes. That's about 3 tomatoes guys. Add 2 spoons of dhania powder, 1 spoon of turmeric, 1 spoon of salt, half a spoon of chili powder, 1 spoon of cumin powder, there you go guys, the masala is well cooked, the oil is coming out. Now add the mashed potatoes and give it a nice mix. Once you mix the aloos well, go ahead and add half a cup of water. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Masala Aloo Curry is ready guys. My today's 2 cents is humility guys, be humble, and humble people garner a lot of attention as well. So being humble is attractive in many ways. So be humble. Until I see you guys in my next vlog, bye bye.